Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your course onto Course Creator 360 in this quick tutorial. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're getting started with Course Creator 360. How do you actually go ahead and upload your course? So the first thing that you want to do is log on to Course Creator 360, click on memberships. And then once you click on memberships, you're going to see this option here that says courses, and there's a drop-down menu. So highlight that drop-down menu and then click on products. Then from here, you want to go ahead and create your product. So click on create new and then title your product. So here we have an example of a course that we've uploaded. So if we open this course up, this is where you could actually go ahead and start uploading your course onto Course Creator 360. So you create a product, name that product, and then you can start uploading videos here. So here we have folders, then you have specific lessons, and within each lesson, you could actually go ahead and upload the course or course video. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and upload your course onto Course Creator 360. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.